In this video, I am going to show you how to fix sorry this application cannot run under a virtual machine in Windows 11. So first off, just imagine this is your application. Just go to properties and go to compatibility, and I have to click that. And after that, just check run this program, run that disable full screen optimization, and run the program as administrator, and just click apply and okay. After that, the second method is just go to your CMD and type sfc slash scan now. And as you can see, I haven't run this as administrator, so I just have to restart it and click run as an administrator, and there you go. Just type sfc slash scan now, and it will scan whatever is the problem in your system so that the application would run smoothly.